चलो सर, चलो चलो चलो. So again, everyone, very good evening to all of you guys, and welcome to Oliveboard. I hope you guys can hear me, see me properly. Right? So please confirm this once whether I'm audible, visible, everything. Whether I'm audible to you guys as well as visible to you guys. Am I audible, visible? Chalo sir, chalo sir. So here I am again with the second practice set of NTPC. But again, let me say one thing. These practice sets are equally important or equally useful for your SSC CGL preparation as well. So if you are a candidate who is preparing for CGL or be it NTPC, please feel free to join us in the practice session. So we'll start with our session. So first question of the day is this one, sir. First question of the day is, sir, this one. Okay. So again, let me give you guys a timer of 40 seconds. So everyone try to complete in 40 seconds. Please try to complete this in 40 seconds only. Chalo sir, chalo sir, chalo sir. First question of the day. First question of the day, sir. Forty seconds is up. No answers as of now. Sir, let's see. Team India scored runs in the first 30 overs of an ODI match at an average of 5.6 runs per over. So run rate is 5.6. Okay. Now what they're saying, what is the required runs per over in the remaining 20 overs at which the team has to score to meet a total target of 320. So total ODI match now. Again, as we are from India, so any Indian audience should know that the ODI match is of 50 overs. Okay, it is a 50 over match, so it should not be given explicitly. So in 30 overs, they have scored something. So let's break it down. This 50 overs, I am saying chalo 30 overs here, which they have already played, and another slot of 20 overs, which they are yet to play. In these 30 overs, what they have done? They have scored at a run rate of 5.6 runs per over. That means how much have they scored? Sir, per over 5.6 into this. So 56 into 3 is how much, sir? This is 168. So 168 runs, sir, they have scored. 3 5s are 15 and 18. Chalo, sir. 150 plus 18. 168 runs they have already scored. Now, sir, that means now they need to target. The target is at 320. So remaining runs is how much, sir? How much they need to score in these 20 overs, sir? Whatever is remaining, 320. 320 minus 168. Sir, 160 to 320 is 160. So 160, so 8 less. So they need to score 152 runs. Total in 20 overs. What is the run rate? Run rate means average runs per over, sir. Total 152 divided by 20, sir. Sorry. 2 से division, this is this. 2 is, sir, 7 2s are this, 6 2s are this. 76 by 10 is 7.6. 7.6 runs per over they need to score to chase down the target, which is option number 3, sir. Which is option number 3, sir. And this was our first question. This was our first question of the day. Very simple. And it is a question from NTPC PYQ. Okay. Next question, sir. Next one is this. Next question is this. Again, a very, very, very good quality question. Very, very, very good quality question. So this one. So again, I'm giving you guys 40 seconds to solve. 40 seconds you guys take to solve, and definitely then we'll discuss the solutions. Then we will be mostly discussing the solutions. Very, very, very good question. Very good quality question. And again, I'm saying if you are a candidate who is preparing for SSC or be it NTPC or Railways exams, these e-practice sets, though it is named, the session is named as NTPC, but again, these are equally important for like both the exams. These are equally important. Okay, sir? Chalo, sir, let's do this one, sir. Let us do this one, sir. Let us do this one, sir. Quickly. Arghamita, very good evening, sister. Very good evening. No worries, no worries. Just the second question we're doing. This is just the second question, and the first question was very easy. This is the first quality question. 28 pipes are connected to a tank. Some of them add water to the tank while some remove, meaning some are inlets, some are inlets, some are outlets. Meaning some inlets means the pipe like through which the water comes in, outlet means the pipes through which water goes out. Now, each inflowing pipe, each inlets can empty the tank in 40, like can fill an empty tank in 14 hours. While any one of the withdrawal means the outlets, can empty a full tank in 35 hours. If all the pipes are open together while the tank is empty, if the tank gets filled in 22.5 hours. How many drainage pipes were there, outlets? They are asking how many outlets. Very, very, very good quality question. Very good. This is a CBT2 question actually from NTPC. And exact similar concept question have been asked in CGL also in the, I guess, 2022 or 23. So again, do not take these questions lightly. Sir, inlet and outlet. Let's take the efficiency ratio now, sir. Inlet and outlet. Sir, what will be the efficiency ratio? The opposite or the inverse of the time ratio. Inlet fills in 14 hours. So you can shortcut is you write down the 14 inlet time in outlet and outlet time in inlet. Either you can do this or you say, no, sir, I don't want to remember all these things. Don't worry. So it is 1 by time inlet 1 by 14 ratio 1 by 35 outlet, because we are writing down the efficiency ratios directly. So time ratio inverse of that is efficiency ratio. Now you see that if you do this cross, so definitely at the end of the day you are getting 35 ratio 14 only. This is 5 ratios like 2, sir. 5 ratio 2, meaning, sir, I am taking each inlet can fill 5 liters in 1 minute or 1 hour, and each outlet can empty 2 liters per hour, sir. Now, total volume is what, sir? Total volume of water, sir. How to calculate? Sir, each inlet can fill 5 liters per minute into, they are taking 14 hours to completely fill. So 5 into 14, that is 70 liters is the total volume of the tank, sir. Because every inlet can fill 5 liters into, sir, 14 hours. Either you can do it like this, or you can say 2 liters outlet into, sir, 35. That also is 70 liters. That also is, sir, 70 liters. Arghamita, let's see, sister. The total volume. Now, I don't know how many inlets, how many outlets. But they are asking outlets. Na? So I'm taking, sir, there were X outlets. Or rather, let's not take X, let's take N. Number stands for N. N outlets, sir. So total inlets, total 28 pipes. So inlets will be 28 minus N. These will be the number of inlets. So let's make an equation. In these situations, always make your equation on total volume, sir. Always make your equation based on total volume, sir. Sir, each inlet can fill 5 liters. So these many inlets can fill how many liters? This into 5, sir. Because one fills 5 liters, these many will fill this liter. Minus. Why minus? Because outlet is draining the water. n number of outlets, each in outlet can drain 2 liters per hour. So into n hours, n inlets, sir. Right? This is what, sir? This is how much water is getting out, like in. Total in minus out is the resultant, how much water is getting in per hour. And they are taking how much, sir? They are taking 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours of this operation to fill the 70 liter tank. This is your equation. You can figure out the value of n. How to do this, sir? Let's calculate, sir. This is 140 minus 5n minus 2n. And this is 5 by 2. That side it will go, so it will become into 2 by 5. 14, sir. 14 2s are 28. So minus 7n. It is equal to, so rather let's not write minus. So I'm taking only 7n. Okay, sir. 7n, it is equal to 140 minus this. So 14 times 8 actually. 14 times 10 minus 14 times 2. So 7 say 2, n is equal to 16, sir. So there were 16 outlet pipes. That was our question. Now if they had asked how many inlets were there, so 28 inlets means 28 minus 16. So that will be 12 inlets, sir. If that was the question. If that was what they had asked, if that was the question, that will be the answer. Now, this was not a very simple question. Let me say this again. This is the reason I have taken this, na? Because we are not targeting just the simple questions only. We are trying to learn something new, right? So definitely we will do like solve some good quality questions. I hope this is absolutely clear, sir. Very good quality question. Very good quality question. Chalo, sir. Next one, sir. Next one. So Argamita was absolutely correct, Argamita. Very good. Sir, a train crossing question. Sir, 40 seconds time. Very quickly solve. Very quickly solve this, sir. Very quickly solve this, sir. Very quickly. And if you're liking the session, please do hit that like button. It gives us gives the session a little reach. And let's see if there is something. Acha. No frame has been dropped. 110-meter long train is running with a speed of 60 kilometer per hour. How much time will it take to cross a man running in the opposite direction with this speed, sir? So it's a very simple question. Very simple question, sir. 6 seconds, Argamita, perfect. Chalo, let's see, sir. Sir, opposite, both objects are in motion. Train is running, man is running. So meaning, sir, when both the objects are in motion, first things first, we need relative speed. Normal speed does not work. Relative speed, sir. Opposite direction means this will get added, sir. Relative speed will be what, sir? 60 plus 6, that is 66 kilometer per hour, sir. Kilometer per hour, sir. Now, but the problem is that this is in meter and this is in kilometer per hour. So I have to convert this, sir, into 5 divided by 80. Seconds mein answer hai. So I just cross checked, sir. 6 3s are this, 6 11s are this. 55 by 3 meter per second, sir. Now, if a man wants to cross, if a train wants to cross a man, how much distance he needs to go through? How much distance he needs to go through, sir? Sir, you will say, hey, sir, that in that case, he needs to go through its own length only, sir. So distance is 110. Speed, I know, sir, 55 divided by 3, sir. Can you figure out time? Sir, distance by speed is time only. This is 2. 3 will go upwards. 3 2s are 6 seconds. 3 2s are 6 seconds, sir. Option number 2, sir. Option number, sir, 2. Option number, sir, 2. Very simple question, right, sir? Next one, sir. Achha, next one, please solve. I'm coming in 1 second just. Just a second, huh? चलो सर. I hope this is. I'm back. Actually, there was that internet ISP people. Like, I was having some issue with the internet. I called them. They came, and the studio. I am here. Nobody is there to respond. So I had to go there. They were banging on the doorbell. Sir, this one, sir. This one, sir. How to solve? How to solve, sir? How to solve? Chalo, sir. 3/5 of my present age is same as 5/6 of the age of one of my cousins. Acha, sir. 3/5 of my present age. 3/5 of my present age of me. My name, sir, starts with A. Works. Is equal to 5/6 of the age of one of my cousins. This is cousin. Sir, A by C, you figure out, sir. 5/6, and this will go that side, it will become 5 divided by 3. So A by C, 25/18, sir. A by C, me and my cousin. This is Rajkamal, Arghamita, okay? Yes, I hope the answer is correct. Now, my age 10 years ago will be his age 4 years from now. My age 10 years ago. 10 years ago means, sir, minus 10, sir. Before 10 years will be equal to his age 4 years from now, meaning, sir, plus 4. Sir, A, I can take 25K. This is 18K. Put down the values now, sir. A is 25K. C will come this side. That means minus 18K, sir. 80 is equal to 14. This will go that side. Sir, 7K is 14. K is 2, sir. What are they asking, sir? My present age, value of 25K. The answer is 50, sir. Answer is, sir, 50 years. Option number 3, sir. So all of you guys were absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Ray Rajkamal, no worries, no worries. We have just done 4 questions. Chalo na, koi baat nahi. You see, always I mathematics का बंदा हूँ भाई, तो क्या है ना, always remember 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 3. So most number of questions you can solve. No worries. After the session is done, you go through and like do a self check, self timer, like solve those 4 questions. और ये क्या हुआ, दोनों ही क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है क्या, वो देखो 4 4, नेक्स्ट वन नो, नेक्स्ट वन में सही किया. चलो ठीक है, क्या ही करे सर. क्वेश्चन नंबर, चलो सर, इट इज 5, बट अगेन व्हाट इज टू बी डन. चलो, the monthly salaries of P and Q are in this ratio. P and Q get an increase of 10% and 5%. Sir. Remember, everything, whether you will solve this question in 10 seconds or in 50 seconds, depends on your approach. Sir, P, Q, 4, 3, 4 and 3. Increment of, sir, 10% here and increment of, sir, 5% here. Now calculation तो गड़बड़ होगा. No, sir, no. Ratio है ना, sir. I can take anything I want. Percent है तो percentage best friend is 100, 400, 300. Sir, 40 increment 10% of 400, meaning, sir, 440 ratio. Sir, 305 increment, sir. This is 315, sir. Calculate, sir. Calculate, sir. Calculate, sir. Sir, 5, 6 are 33. 5. How much is this? 88, right? Sir, again, sir, I don't think, yes, this is the answer, sir. 8863, sir. Now, this was one approach. Another approach I'll give. Another approach, let me give you guys. Arghamita, Rajkamal, yes, again, you guys are correct. Sir, now, 10-second approach, I told you, na, I'll give you that one. Sir, think. If any value, be it 4, 400, 4000, whatever value, if any value n, it gets increased by 10%, That means it becomes 110% of n. It's a multiple of 11, you check. It is a multiple of 11, sir. So the value of P, whatever the new ratio, it has to be a multiple of 11. Check the options, sir. 63, not a multiple. A ka, because P I'm taking, na? So this one has to be multiple. 60, not a multiple. 45, not a multiple. 88, yes, it's a multiple. My answer. My answer, sir. Getting my point? So always 10% increment. Say if there was 20% increment, then I will check for multiples of 12, sir. Why? Because that will become 120%. I'll check for multiples of 12. I'll check whether option has multiples of 12 or not. Clear, everyone? Clear, everybody? So increment questions always go like this. Always. Another way, sir, this is 5% increment. 5% increment means it becomes 105%. 105 is multiple of 3 and, sir, 15. Right, sir? It is 15 multiple. So now 15 multiple may you can get this, you can get this. The problem with this question was this and also this. 3 options were multiple of this. So that is the reason I chose to go with this 11 multiple. Otherwise, I could have done it. You have to check whenever you are thinking like this, na, you have to look at the options and definitely you have to think a little bit. Ki sir, how can I check? Should I check P or should I check Q? If there were another multiple of 11 and there was only one multiple of say 3 or 15, I will check the second one, sir, not the other ones. Again, sir, 15 means sir, it has to end in 5 or 0. So this, rather no, this means that again this thing I would have like figured it out like that. So again you have to take different approaches for different questions. So next one, sir. Ratio of investments. Let me give you a very beautiful technique on this. Very beautiful. Perfect, Rajkamal. Perfect. Yes, that is exactly how you can shorten your time. Right? Very good, brother. So remember one thing. Investment into, sir, time gives you what, sir? Gives you, sir, profit. Profit sharing. Always remember this. Or rather, if I want to complete this, investment ratio into, sir, time ratio will always give you profit sharing ratio. Always remember, because you see we always do this only. Investment, how much invested into for how much time. Sir, there are three partners, okay? Three partners. Profit ratio is given, sir. Profit ratio we know, sir. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8, sir. Investment, I don't know. Time ratio, I know. 14, 8, 7. Write it now, sir. 14 ratio 8 ratio 7, sir. Sir, investment ratio will be what, sir? Can I say profit sharing ratio divided by, sir, time ratio? Because this is the relation, investment into time is profit. So I can divide this. That means, sir, this will be profit by, sir, time, 5 by 14 ratio. 7 by 8, sir, ratio. 8 by 7, sir. Just calculate, sir. So just calculate. So that means, sir, it will be 14. 14 में 2 तो already है. 14 into 4, 56 is the multiple, right? 56 is the LCM multiply, sir. So far, like 4 5s are 20. I'll keep on checking. You see, there's only option with 20. You see, whenever I'm seeing 20, I'm not checking others. But again, if you are no, sir, I'll check. If 7 8s are this is 64. Matching, sir. And you see, this is also 7 7s are 14. But again, to save 10 more seconds, sir, whenever I got 20, that's my answer, because no other option has 20 in it. No other option has 20 in it. But again, it is a slightly risky because sir, there are two fives there. Because 5 is a like a kind of, if say the whole ratio at the end it is kind of cancelling, so that might come. In this case, that cannot happen because of the obvious. But again, you should always check if you are in doubt. So do not check for others. Just check for one more. Just check for one more. Then your answer is done. Then your answer is done, sir. This is the best way. And again, for those who are preparing for CGL, this is one of their favorite types. Favorite type है ये for CGL. One of their favorite types is this. Okay. They ask so many questions, especially this. They ask this in mains, especially in mains. The tier 2 exam, they ask you this mostly. Sir, next one. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. Very, very, very quickly, sir. Achha, all the numbers na are one less because my typist had done a blunder. एक जगह पे दो कर दिया. There were two questions having like question number 4. A sum becomes 3 times in 5 years. Sir, what is the meaning of this? Principal in case of simple interest is 100%. It becomes 3 times, meaning 300%. Sir, why this is the increment? The increment because of interest. So interest is how much, sir? Interest is, sir, 200%. That in that much interest we are getting in 5 years. So rate of interest 1 year we are getting 40%. तो लगेगा क्या? 3 times. अरे no, we don't need it. We do not actually need it. ये भी नहीं चाहिए भाई. उतना नहीं चाहिए. So 200% interest we are getting in 5 years. Keep this in mind. Now, let us play. I need the sum to become 500%, like 5%, 5 times, meaning sir 500%. That means interest will be what, sir? Interest will be what, sir? 400%. 100% becomes 500%, meaning sir interest is 400%. So 200% it becomes in 5 years, 200% interest. 400% is double, sir. Number of years will also be double, sir. The answer will be, sir, 10 years, option number 2, sir. Option number, sir, 2. Option number 2, sir. Is this a question, brother? Sort of. Is this a question? Is this a question, brother? Or a statement? I don't understand. You want my opinion? Next one, sir. Next one, sir. Half yearly like compounding. Half yearly. This is a question. Sort of, you see, brother, it is dependent on your preparation, how you have learned. Whether you have learned it using short tricks or you have learned conceptually. If you have learned conceptually, then what you have just what you have just told, na, that is enough. Honestly speaking, like you go for these practice sets, you will find so many things in YouTube. Go do some sectionals, do some mocks, proper full length mocks, sectional mocks, revise the things, pick up any good PYQ book. That is enough. But again, if you have some problem in basics, say, sir, this chapter I'm not very comfortable with, in that case, you need to like prepare those chapters a little bit. Perfect, sir. Arghamita has given us one answer. Arghamita has given us one answer. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay, brother. Okay, that is okay. Then you might go for a bridge course. If just you want the important things, now you can all like purchase a like any bridge course, like courses. There you will find crash course, bridge course, practice course. Okay, there are so many different types of courses, right? Because like to keep you up to date, nothing else. That's the reason. Arghamita 5324. Chalo sir, let's see this question. Rate of interest 20% per annum and interest is compounded half yearly. 3 by 2 years, 1.5 years. So it means 3 compounding. Can we say this? Every half year we are getting 1 compounding. 3 by 2 years we will get 3 compoundings. 3 compoundings, and 20% is for 1 year. For half year, the rate of interest is 10%. So 10% rate of interest, what does it mean, sir? Principal and amount. Sir, 5 rupee is my principal. Sorry, 10%. 10 rupee is my principal. 1 by 10, 10% means 10% means 1 by 10. 10 rupee principal, 1 rupee is interest. So amount is, sir, 11 rupee. Amount is, sir, 11 rupees. So that means how many times compounding, sir? 3 compoundings. This will be the end result, 1000, and this is 1331. What they're asking? This 1000 value they have given you, ki dekho bhai, this is 4000. This is your principal. They have told you ki dekho, this is, sir, 4000 rupees. This 1000, like this principal value, this principal is now 1000 rupees after 3 compoundings. Amount is, sir, this much. Now they are asking amount to what? Meaning, sir, they are asking if 1000 value is 4000, what is the value for this? Sir, this is into 4 times, na, sir. You do the same thing, sir. How to multiply this? Na? Dekho na, how to multiply this in a very short amount of time. 1000 into 4, 4000. 300 into 4, sir, 1200. 30 into 4, sir, 120. 1 into 4, sir, 4. Always do it like this. We write it down in checks. Perfect, sort of perfect. Perfect, brother. You can. Acha, you see, we write checks now. In words, 1330 and 1. So I am multiplying like this. It's better and more accurate, like most of all. 4, 2. This is 42 and 13. That is 53, sir. So answer is 5324 rupees. 5324, option number 3, sir. Option number, sir, 3. Option number, sir, 3. Sort of, you can absolutely, you see, this is completely dependent on your preparation, brother. I'm not saying yes, I'm not saying no, brother, right? It is completely dependent on your preparation. It is completely dependent on that. How much you have practiced. You see, there is no substitute, no teacher, nobody. Our help, or our, how can I say, contribution to your success is merely 10. Like for some teachers, it might be 15%. That's all. That's all, brothers. Not more than that. It is you who need to clear. Right? You have to practice. Practice as much as possible. There is no substitute of practicing. There is absolutely no substitute of that. Sir, a shopkeeper sells a pair of shoes, discount of 34%, and still makes a profit of 10%. If the cost price is this, find the mark price. Sir, again, this is a question where CP is given. Sales means, sir, SP is kind of mentioned, and discount means, sir, MP is mentioned. I told you this countless times. If you have these 3 quantities, you cannot have any direct relations. That you have to always go via SP, sir. So make your equation around this SP, sir. CP to SP, 480 rupees is CP, sir. What will be SP if I want to make a profit of 10%? You will say, sir, it will be, sir, 110 by 100. This is your SP, sir. This is your SP. Go back over here. Mark price, they asked. They are asking mark price, I don't know, 100x. Sir, what will be SP from there? Sir, 100x into how much discount? 34%. That means I'll be paying 66%. So that is your SP, sir. Both are SPs equal. Always in these questions, you do this. Sir, calculate 100, 100 gone. 6, this is, sir, 10. 5, 3, sir. Anything 0, 0 gone, sir. 5, 2s are 10, sir. And this is 2, sir. This is 24. Sir, x is 24, sir. That means 100x will be, sir, 2400 rupees. अरे क्या गड़बड़ किया हमने. अरे this is 3 is there ना. Sorry 8. देखो मेरे को नया चश्मा लेना है सर. So the 100x is 800 rupees, sir. Option number 3, sir. This is one way to proceed, sir. This is one way to proceed, sir. अरे again comments आना बंद हो गया देखो. This is one way to proceed, sir. Another way, another way, another way, another way, sir. Another way to proceed here. You go in one direction, sir. Sir, I got कहाँ लिखे इधर ही लिखते हैं चलो. Single line at this one. Sir, 480 into 110 by 10 meaning 11 by 10. That is your what? That is sir SP. Now modular method I'm using. देखो एक लाइन में कैसे बनता है. Sir, 34% discount. What does it mean? Sir, it means if MP is my 100 rupees, my SP will be sir 66 rupees. 34 rupees less. Now this is what sir? This is SP. You do this division, some fraction. Whatever this thing represents, that will be your denominator. This is what SP? SP means 66. Whatever we need to figure out, that will be your numerator. What do we need, sir? We need the value of MP 100, sir. Put it there, sir. That's your answer. करके देखो आएगा ही आएगा sir. 11, 6, 6 8s are this. So 80 into 10 you do, this is 800. This is how to do in one line. This is how to do these questions in one line. So if you need this modular method, now let me say one thing. If you need this, if you need a class on this modular method, again, this is nothing but your simple unitary method. Just a way to kind of automate this. Unitary method. This is nothing but your unitary method. Nobody can deny this is unitary method. But again, if you need some help with this, so again, just let me say this here. We are running a free class campaign for the last 3 months. Okay. This is SSC 2025 free live classes. Every Saturday, each of the faculties in our platform take free classes. All you need to do is to go into the app. You will see the free course thing. Like with like different free courses with like the respective faculty's name and like picture. So I myself personally take the classes at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. 1 hour session. Okay, every Saturday I take this. So again, please feel free to join if you need. And you need, if you have any particular topic in mind, comment down in this video, like in the comment section. I'll take that up as one of the topics. And as we're talking about the topics, so this is our topper pool of the year, like from this year. So both non-JSO and JSO topper year once we got from our, so he is from Manish sir's batches. Okay, Hindi medium. So again, and definitely few others. I've recently, like in this channel only, they have posted one particular Bengali interview. Okay, that person is from Ranaghat, that student, Tushar. And someone was there from Ranaghat in yesterday's class as well, bit 2. I still remember his name. Sir, next question, sir. Next question, sir. This is from Andhra Pradesh. Okay, yeah. Dakshayani. Yes, Dakshayani, welcome to the session. Welcome to the session. Sir, how to do this, sir? Sir, how can we solve this question? Okay, so this is the best way. Best way over here is to value putting. Now again, sometimes when you get, let me warn you about this, when you get two different equations, it becomes a little challenging to put values. But here that is not the case. Because sir, I can simply see x and this. Just by looking at this, x if I take 5, x plus y 6 means so y is 1, sir. If I take this, let's see, sir, whether this works here or not. Let us see, sir. Sir, if I take this, 2 into 5, sir, 10, minus 3 into 1, sir, 3. It is 7? Yes, sir, 7. It is matching. So our assumption is correct, sir. So x minus y, we can say this in one line, sir, it is 4. It is, sir, 4, option number 1, sir. Option number, sir, 1. Yes, absolutely. Rajkamal Arghamita, absolutely. Dakshayani, clear? Everyone clear? Sort of clear? Yes, matches. So again, please understand here. Let me say one very interesting thing. If this does not match, na, say for example, रुको थोड़ा सोच के मेरे को देने दो. Sir, if this was 14, say for example, the same question, this is same, 2x minus 3y is equal to, sir, 14. What will that be, sir? Now you will say, sir, 2 into 5, sir, 10 minus, sir, this 3. It is not matching. Please understand, whatever we got from here, na, the actual values will be some multiple of this, sir, some k. Over here, so I'll only check with 5 into 2, 1 into 2, or 5 into 3, 1 into 3. Sir, if I put 5 into 2, na, sir, 5 2s are 10. Sorry, 5 into 2 are told. Na? So that means x is to x is at 10. So x is 10, 10 into 2 is at 20. Minus 3 into this is y is at 2 into 1, 2. 3 2s are 6. Sir, is it matching with 14? Yes. So my answer in that case will be what, sir? 10 minus, like 10 minus 2, sir. That is, it will be, sir, 8. You see, this also gets multiplied by 2. So these are all in ratio. Always these things work in ratio. Perfect. So please keep these things in mind when you kind of solve. When you kind of solve. Do not, you see, value putting, when I say this, na, most of the students have this idea, sir, we blindly put values. No, value putting, maybe if you can figure, if you can use it a little bit of your brain, it will be tremendously helpful. Let me say this much. Sir, next one, sir. Infinitely many solutions. That happens in only one case, sir. If there's a line, the other line, sir, is kind of superimposed on this, sir. अरे ऐसे नहीं बनाना चाहिए, रुको. Say this is a line, and say, sir, there is another line which is exactly on top of this. Okay, this is what we call so each and every point here is one of the solutions. And when this superposition happens, you know, when both are exactly same lines, meaning when x coefficients, the ratio of that equal to ratio of y coefficients equal to ratio of c, like the constant values. So x coefficient over here is 3, sir, and this is 2a, sir. So 3 divided by 2a. Now keep in mind the sides. This will be, sir, plus or minus. Ruko. There is a printing mistake. Ruko. Let me check the question. I've sent it. Na? Plus or minus, I don't know. We have to check. Just a second. ये प्लस और माइनस नहीं तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, नहीं तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. आज like in today's class only, the algebra class from 4 to 5, there was a big problem here. A question that there was some problem with it. रुको ना sir. This is question number 10 na. Discount, this one we have done. The question ही तो नहीं मिल रहा है. I'm not getting the question. I'm not getting the question. रुक, अच्छा, let's do with either plus or minus. ठीक है? Let us do it with plus only. Let us, अरे ये नहीं sir. Plus only, sir. Okay? If this gives us some, it might, so answer might not match. But again, concept we can learn. Concept we can learn, sir. Give. Yes, chalo, sir. So here the coefficient of y is minus 2y or minus 2 divided by, sir. Divided by, sir. 1 second. Minus 2 divided by, sir. This one is a minus b, sir. That is equal to the constant Constant here is 8. Right hand side. So both has to be on the right hand side. This is 48, sir. Now there is a strong chance answer will not match, but again, no worries. So this is, sir, 1 by 6. So what I am going to do, sir, this is equal to this. And sir, this is also equal to this, sir. So if this is equal to this, 3 by 2a, it is 1 by 6. So a is 9, sir. And sir, from this equation, I can say minus 2 divided by a minus b, it will be, sir, 1 by 6. Sir, a minus b will be minus 12. Sir, a is how much, sir? A, I know 9. So 9 minus b is minus 12. So b is 21, sir. So they are asking, acha. So there is exactly 3a. So options are not matching. So that was minus, I guess. So, but again, we can match it from anywhere. Like if the question, so it might be minus. It might have been minus. Correct hai question? Which one is correct hai? Question is correct hai? रुको. नहीं. In that case, like that particular thing, na, जो solution आएगा. No, that is not correct, brother. The question a plus 3b equal to 0. A plus 3b, I'm getting 0. I'm getting wrong. A is 9. A plus 3b, when it is plus. Arghamita, you are getting kaise? A plus 3b, how can that be 0, sir? मैंने कुछ गलत किया क्या? रुको ना. Minus 12, if I put it is equal to 9. B goes that side, this goes this side, so it is 21. No, Arghamita. You are correct. Yes, I'm not finding anything. So it's okay. When minus, yes, minus might be the answer. Yes, there is a strong chance equal and minus are actually closer. It's okay, no worries. You see now, ultimately, so if I put minus, this will be minus a minus b. Minus will cancel. So in that case, मैं बता देता हूँ, a minus b will be 12. So 9 minus b will be, sir, 12. So b will be, sir, no. B will then be, sir, minus 3. Then a plus 3b is 0, sir. Yes, if this was minus, na, sir, then the option is matching. Sir. Rajkamal, equal to do nahi ho sakta. Equal, if you don't know, 3D straight lines na has this thing. 3D mein straight line has two equals. Okay? 3D straight lines actually looks like this. ABC are direction ratios. Z minus Z1 by C, sir. 3D straight lines actually looks like this. That is in JE syllabus. If you want to give an IIT for the second time, please do let me know. Okay? So answer in that case will be this. 3D is not part of your SSC syllabus. Okay? 3D straight line actually has two equals. Perfect na? Rajkamal? No worries. You do not waste your time over there. We are learning here. Absolutely. Like, let's learn. Question answer ek aadha idhar udhar, printing mistake. Every book has it. So, cos A plus sec A is given. A is an acute angle. What will be sin A plus cosec A? Acha, sir. There are two ways. You can do, sir, A plus 1 by A. That thing you can do. But, sir, looking at the values is giving me very not so good thoughts. Why? Sir, cos A has to be less than 1. Remember, sin A and cos A can never be greater than 1. It is always minus 1 to 1. So, sec A, if I take 2, cos A will be half, na, sir? Sir, 2 plus 1 by 2, sir, 5 by 2. Mil gaya, sir. Yes, direction ratios and direction cosines, absolutely. ABC is direction ratio. Divide by root over of a square plus b square plus c square gives you direction cosines. Right? because you need to, reaction cosine means cos has to be less than 1, what we are discussing now. Now sir, if that is the case, I can simply say, sir, cos A value is half, sir. This is cos A, this is sec A. Match कर जा रहा है. That means A is how much, sir? A is degree. Sir, A is, sir, 60 degree. So anything. So sine A is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 plus 2 by root 3 will be the answer. Options. अच्छा वो वैसे ही है. So 2 root 3 you take LCM. Root 3 is 3 plus 4 is 7. That is your answer. 7 by 2 root 3, 7 by 2 root 3. Option number, sir, 3. You see, we did not need to solve this. We did not require any solving. But again, use your brain. Every question there will be ways to figure out. Learn properly and keep on using your brain. The biggest challenge is actually this. In SSC, to use your brain at 100% throughout, from the first minute till the last minute. That is why I at least say, whenever you are studying, when you are practicing in your home, make the slots bigger, longer. Half an hour, no. You at least put 2 hours, 1.5 hours at a stretch. Then you take a break. Perfect. PQRs. Achha, please, today the likes are very less. Please like the session if you are liking it. PQR, cyclic trapezium, PQ parallel to RS. अरे भाई चलो सर, cyclic trapezium बनाओ. Cyclic trapezium इधर ही बना देते हैं सर. सर हो जाएगा. Yes, it is almost matching, sir. It is almost matching, right? PQ parallel, and PQ is the diameter. PQ is this, and RS. But sir, it is like it should not be like this, na? The question should be, let me say this. PQ parallel to RS, no, SR. Because in parallel, this thing actually matters how you are naming it, SR or PQ. Either you RS रखना है तो QP, or like either the direction matters. PQ diameter. If QPR is 40 degree, QPR, this is 40 degrees, sir. Okay, sir. PSR they are asking. PSR, that means this angle. This angle they are asking, it is a single liner question if you have your concepts at hand. अरे perfect drawing. हाँ अरे उतने perfect नहीं है, थोड़ा गड़बड़ है. So this is 90 degree because this is a semi-circular angle, sir. This is 90 degree. So these two must be, this thing plus this thing is 90. So this is 40. So this is 50. Now in a cyclic quadrilateral, this angle and this angle, these two are supplementary angles. Totals are 180. So this 50 means that this has to be 130 degrees. This has to be 130 degree. Option number, sir, 1. Option number, sir, 1. Perfect. Option number, sir, 1. Very, very, very simple question. Again, you have to have the understanding. That's all. That's all, sir. अच्छा sir, any other way? Any other way can you guys try to solve this? थोड़ा सोचते ना जाओ. If I draw this, this is 40, this is 40. हाँ सर वैसे भी तो बन जाएगा. ठीक है चलो. It doesn't make sense because it is very simple. Why make it complicated? Find the area of the largest square that can be inscribed in a circle of circumference this. Sir, circumference this ना sir, radius निकालो sir. अच्छा, rather let me draw this first so that everybody can understand. Largest square ना sir हमेशा ऐसा होता है sir. Largest square, always remember one thing. If it is largest, then diagonal of the square is the diameter of the circle. Diagonal of the square is diameter of the circle, sir. Right? So circle ka circumference I know, meaning sir 22, or rather 2 pi r is equal to this. 2 pi means 44 by 7 into r is equal to 44. So r value is sir 7. So diameter is sir 14. D diameter is sir 14. Meaning now area of the largest square. Sir, area, that means sir this square, if this side is of a units, this diagonal is a root 2, we all know, that is equal to diameter, that is 14, sir. Sir, a value is 14 by like root 2, that is 7 root 2, sir. Sir, area of the square will be sir 7 root 2 square, because area of the square is a square. Sir, 49 2s are 98 centimeter square. That is your answer, sir. That is your answer. Option number 4, sir. Option number, sir, 4. Always remember this. This diameter and this diagonal thing. Diagonal is equal to diameter. Dia. Remember, dia is equal to dia. Perfect. Perfect, sir. Perfect, sir. Achha, can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me what if something like this happens? Sir, what are you? Sorry. ये दोनों साइड टच नहीं हुआ. Sir, what if this happens? What is equal? What of circle equal to what of this like the square? Sir, you understand? In this situation, always, sir, you will get this. The diameter of the circle will always be equal to the side. So if this is A, the side of the square, this D is equal to A as well. So these two are situations. This is circumcircle, this is incircle. These two are only situations. Area will be this thing. Hey, have I made any error? Calculation wise. 196. Acha, Argamita, this one you are saying? Or this one? The question we have just solved already. R is 7, ruko na sir, circle circumference, this R is 7, diameter is 14, so that is A root 2, A is 14 by root 2, 14 by root 2 means 7 root 2, 7 square, no sir, I am to getting 98 only, I am only getting 98, 49 into root 2 square is 2, right? This can be double, this can be like more. Argamita? Achha, for the new solution, yeah, that works absolutely, because circle has radius 4, like 7, so diameter is 14, so that is side, so it will be sir 14 square. In this case, the area will be sir 14 square. 14 square is 196, definitely. And always, actually, that was something I was about to come next. So ratio of this diagonal, this area and this area, always see that is 1:2. This square, na. So if the question comes like this, chalo, I've done 3 questions with you guys. This is actually 3 questions. CHSL में आया था. This question was asked in CHSL mains. Okay, sir, what is the ratio of this area of this square and this square, sir? And the circle is given. So this area square we just figured out to be 196 and this is 98, sir. So ratio will be 2:1, 1:2 depending on what you are taking. Depending on what you are taking. So this is another question, sir. Another question. If they are asking you the ratio, you can figure it out like this, sir. Perfect, sir. Perfect, sir. So no need to take chap. Simplify. For those who don't know, 4096, no sir, it is 2 to the power 12. Very important value, very, very important to remember. Sir, square root will be, sir, 2 to the power 6. Because 2 to the power 12, cube root will be, sir, 2 to the power 4, sir. This will be fourth root, okay? Printing mistake. It will be, sir, 2 cube. 2 to the power 6 is 64, sir. 16, sir. 8, sir. लास्ट में 8 किसका है? नहीं है. Then printing mistake है, sir. There is multiplication division का भी चक्कर हो सकता है. There has to be some printing mistake. रुको. Just a second, रुक जाओ भाई. There were 4 values. To the power 6 is also there. देखो लिखा ही नहीं है. To the power 4 cube, square root and 6 also there. So this is 6 also there, sir. 6 root of. This is the question, okay? So if I do this, this is how much, sir? 2 square. 4. Sir, ending in 2, sir. 92 will be the answer. You see what I've done? This is 0, 8 4s are 12. Unit digit is 2. Only one option having unit digit 2. That has to be my answer. I'm not adding actually. But again, if you add, you will get 92. You will get 92, sir. Right, sir? Right, sir? अरे ये बंदे देखो क्या गड़बड़ किया है. This person I have to change. If this was actually a DI question, लिखा ही नहीं है. Like, let's leave this. There were 2 question sets actually, and he left a couple of questions as well. Achha, chalo. Let us end our quest, like end our onslaught here. Let us end our session for the day here only. These 2 questions are incomplete actually. ठीक है? These last 2 questions were not complete. Chalo, sir. So again, thank you so much everyone for joining us. And I will definitely see you guys tomorrow with another set of SSC CGL set. Okay? So again, please like the session if you have liked it. And I'll again see you guys tomorrow. And if you have any topic you want classes on, please feel free to comment it down in the below, like comment section. I will take that up. Actually, I take topics from your comments only. Okay? So everyone, thank you so much. Question number 10. Rajkamal, tell me na. 10, 10, 10 कहा गया 10 वाला question, sir? This one, brother Rajkamal, this question had a problem. Let me just say one thing. Like leave this first. Understand the concept here. I'm telling you the theory part, okay? Because this question was matching with the answer if this was minus. If this was minus, then it was matching with the options. Theory part is saying, sir, if 2 lines, you see 2 lines can be intersecting. When can that happen? Line equations, I'm taking a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. And this equation I'm taking a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Everywhere I will use this equation. Everywhere we'll be using this equation. Sir, intersecting line, it means unique solution or one solution because it is intersecting at one point. Wherever the lines intersect, that is your solution. Always. Graphically in a linear equation, wherever the lines intersect, that is your solution. Now, it will have only one solution if the slopes are not equal and nothing is actually equal. Slopes are not equal. Now, slope of a straight line is dependent on these 2. Coefficient of x and coefficient of y. Always remember this. So that means the ratios. Now, if I write it down, coefficient of any or the slope of any straight line can be written as slope minus of x coefficient by y coefficient. x coefficient is a2 by y coefficient is b2. Why? Because this comes, if you transform this into the slope intercept form, you will get this. And this one has what? This one slope will be a1 by b1 with a negative sign. This is the slope. Now I am saying these two will be intersecting when these two are not equal. Because if they are equal, slope equal means they are parallel. That's a question number 10. Yeah, I'm going there. So please, and that means that a1 by b1 with a negative sign should not be equal to a2 by b2 with a negative sign. So again, if you just do some calculations, it is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by c2. Similarly, also you can say c1 by c2 not equal to. This is when we'll get one solution. Similarly, if this part is equal, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, meaning slopes are equal, but c1 by c2 not equal, that means they are at a distance. The lines are parallel, but they have distance in between them. This is the situation. But when they are intersecting, one line is kind of lying on top of the other line. That means these two lines are exactly the same line, meaning, sir, a1 by a2, b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. These two are actually same lines. So in this question number 10 was based on this. Let's see, sir. So here the lines are, if I write it down in my own way, 3x minus 2y equal to 8. The another was 2ax minus a minus by. Okay, I'm just, in order to match the answers, I'm taking minus only because that was matching. We have already seen it. Sir, coefficients ratio has to be equal to this coefficient ratio has to be equal to this coefficient ratio. Now this is 1 by 6. So meaning I'm saying this will be equal to 1 by 6. This will be equal to 1 by 6. If I put it there, 3 by 2a, that is equal to 1 by 6. From there we are getting a value to be 9, sir. And if I put this to be 1 by 6, 2 minus 2 divided by, sir, minus a minus b. It is equal to, sir, 1 by 6. Minus minus cancels. We get a minus b equal to 12, sir, from this line. You see, then again, a I know to be 9. From there, we are getting b is minus 3. So a is 9, b is minus 3. Which option is matching? This option is matching. That is how we got our answer. That is exactly how we got our answer. Clear, Rajkamal? Clear, brother? Clear, absolutely. Absolutely clear. No rocket science. Very simple things. Right? So again, thank you so much, so much for to everyone for joining us in the class. Again, I'll be live on exactly the same time at 5 p.m. with the CGL set. So I'm expecting to see you guys, to each and every one of you in the classes. So again, thank you so much, everyone. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, please take care and bye-bye. Thank you so much. Thank you. Rajkamal, anytime, anybody has any problems, please feel free to let me know. वही तो मेरा काम है. Again, thank you so much. Please take care. Good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.